Following the deaths of 11 armed Kuki militants in a fierce gun battle yesterday, security forces launched a search operation this morning. During the operation, they discovered the bodies of 2 villagers from Boro Bekra, including a man who had been killed and brutally burned in his own home. The incident occurred as villagers from Jakaradhor Karung were fleeing the intense firefight between Kuki militants and CRPF forces. The security forces were conducting a search for 10 villagers who had gone missing during the clash. Among the victims, El Bahrain, a 63-year-old man from Karung, was found completely charred in his house. Another victim, 71-year-old Maibam Kesho, was reportedly shot dead and thrown into the fire. In contrast, O Thonglen, 45-year-old, was rescued safely. Meanwhile, 3 women and 3 children were reportedly abducted by the Kuki militants, and their photos have been circulated on social media. It is still unclear whether they are alive or dead. However, the security forces are continuing their search. On the other hand, additional CRPF personnel were deployed at Boro Bekra and will transport the bodies in Jiribam.